Embark on a journey beyond the ordinary. Samsung's Galaxy S24 is not just a smartphone, it's a revolution. Experience the thrill of cutting-edge technology and step into a new era of innovation. Don't just watch the future unfold, be a part of it. Stay tuned and let's explore the extraordinary together. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The future of smartphones unveiled. The tech world is buzzing with anticipation as Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24, has just had its specs revealed in a massive leak. This leak, courtesy of WinFuture, provides a comprehensive look at what we can expect from the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. A new era of display technology. The Galaxy S24 series is set to redefine smartphone displays. The standard S24 model is rumored to feature a 6.2-inch FHD display, a slight increase from the S23's 6.1-inch panel. The S24 Plus, on the other hand, is expected to boast a QHD resolution on its 6.7-inch screen, a significant upgrade from its predecessor's FHD resolution. The S24 Ultra, maintaining its 6.8-inch QHD display, is set to surprise with a flat screen, a departure from the curved screens of previous Ultra models. All three models are expected to feature LTPO 120Hz displays, promising efficient and smooth performance, whether you're scrolling through menus or enjoying high frame rate content. Design and durability. In terms of design, the S24 series seems to follow closely in the footsteps of the S23 series. However, Samsung is set to spice things up with a new color palette. The S24 series is expected to be available in violet, yellow, gray, and black. Interestingly, all Ultra colors are labeled with titanium, aligning with rumors of a switch to a titanium frame from aluminum. Camera innovations. The camera systems on the S24 and S24 Plus are expected to remain largely unchanged from the S23 series. However, the S24 Ultra is set to break new ground with a refreshed 200MP main camera and a new 50MP 5x zoom, replacing the 10MP 10x camera on the S23 Ultra. Performance and power. Samsung appears to be shaking things up in terms of chipsets. The S24 Ultra is expected to house a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, while the other two models are rumored to feature Exynos 2400 chips, at least for the European market. This could lead to noticeable performance differences between the models, including Wi-Fi performance, battery, life, and more. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are rumored to feature larger batteries, promising improved battery life. While charging speeds seem to remain unchanged, the increased capacity should provide a noticeable boost to battery life. The future is AI. While not mentioned in the spec sheet, Galaxy AI is rumored to be a significant part of the Galaxy S24 experience. This umbrella term refers to several software features expected to debut with the S24 series, including enhanced translation and automatic photo editing. With just a week to go until Galaxy Unpacked, the tech world waits with bated breath for the official unveiling of the Galaxy S24 series. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the event. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.